In this video, you'll learn how to search for specific items by category in eBay. This process will help you find the products you want more efficiently and accurately, making your shopping experience more enjoyable. First, navigate to the eBay website and log into your account. Once you are logged in, you will be directed to the main search page. Here, you will see a search bar prominently displayed at the top of the page. Enter the name of the product you're looking for in this search bar and press the Enter key on your keyboard. After a brief moment, the search results will populate on your screen. On the left side of the results page, you will notice a panel containing various category filters. These categories are designed to help you narrow down your search results significantly. By selecting the category that best matches the product you want, you enhance the accuracy of your search. This organized browsing approach allows for a more straightforward shopping experience and reduces the number of irrelevant listings you may encounter. Next, you can refine your search results further by utilizing additional filters available on the same side panel. For example, you can set parameters such as price range, item, condition, and location. Adjusting these filters allows you to focus on the most relevant items for your needs. Additionally, consider using sorting options like best match or lowest price to help improve your search results. These adjustments can save you time and enhance your overall shopping efficiency. After applying your chosen filters, take a moment to review the items displayed in the selected category. Each listing will provide you with essential details about the product. Click on any listing that catches your interest to read the full product description. It is beneficial to compare multiple listings before making a purchase. Pay close attention to seller ratings and product descriptions, as these factors are crucial in making informed buying decisions. By using categories and filters effectively, you can navigate through millions of listings on eBay with ease. This smart searching technique not only improves your buying decisions, but can also lead you to better deals. Efficient browsing is key to a successful shopping experience. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next tutorial.